In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subscriptions on Squarespace. We'll walk through the process of creating a subscription-based product inside your Squarespace store using the built-in product and payment settings. This is a great option if you offer recurring services, memberships, or consulting packages that customers will pay for on a weekly or monthly basis. To get started, head into your Squarespace dashboard and click on Products and Services. From there, select Products so you can view and manage the items in your store. Next, click Add Product. Squarespace will show you different product types, and for this setup, choose Consulting Package. This is the option we'll use to create a service that can be billed as a recurring subscription. Once the product editor opens, enter your product name. Make sure the name is clear and easy for customers to understand, since this is what they'll see when browsing and purchasing. After that, type your description. This is where you can explain what's included in the subscription, how often the service is delivered, and any details your customers should know before subscribing. Now move down to the payment option section and click Subscription Options. This is where you'll change the product from a one-time purchase into a recurring offer. Select subscription only so customers can subscribe rather than make a single standalone purchase. After that, edit the repeat frequency and choose whether the subscription renews every week or every month, depending on how you want to structure your offer. Take a moment here to choose the billing interval carefully because it directly affects the customer experience and how your revenue is collected. Once the interval looks right, click Add, then click Apply to confirm those subscription settings for the product. Next, enter the price for the subscription. This should match the billing frequency you just selected. So if it repeats monthly, the amount should be your monthly subscription price. Double check this before moving on to avoid confusion for customers later. When everything is filled out, move to Save so a Squarespace can store your product settings. Saving is important because it keeps all of your product details, pricing, and subscription rules in place before you make the product leave. Finally, click Publish. This makes your subscription product available on your site so customers can start signing up. And that's it. You've successfully set up a subscription product on Squarespace. If you're creating recurring services, this setup can help streamline payments and make your offers much easier for customers to purchase.